Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Moose Tips and Tricks, and I'm Josie, media specialist here at Moose Roofing, a roofing company based out of Omaha, Nebraska. Have you ever had a roofer tell you something and thought, what does that even mean? We get it. Roofing terms can sound like a secret language if you aren't familiar with it, but no worries because today we're breaking it down to plain English so you know exactly what's going on with your roof. We'll start with some common roofing terms. Flashing. Flashing is one of the most important parts of your roof that you don't even see. It's the thin piece of metal, usually aluminum or galvanized steel, that are placed around things like chimneys, vents, skylights, and valleys to stop water from sneaking in. Think of it as extra durable protection for high flow areas. If your flashing is cracked, rusted, or loose, water can leak through and cause major damage inside your home. Next is underlayment. This is the layer that sits between your roof, decking, and shingles. It's like your roof safety net. If water ever gets past these shingles, the underlayment is there as a second line of defense to stop leaks from reaching inside your home. There are many different types like tar paper or ice and water shield, and the right one can make a big difference in protecting your home from water damage. Now, what is a drip edge? Drip edge is a small but mighty feature on your roof. It's a thin metal strip installed along the edges of your roof to guide water into your gutters instead of letting it run down your siding or fascia boards. Without it, water can soak into your home structure, causing rot and mold over time. It's those little details that can save you a lot of money in the long run. Now let's talk about what holds your entire roof together, the roof decking. This is a wooden base that sits underneath your underlayment and shingles. If you ever hear a roofer say your decking is soft or rotted, that means water has gotten to it, and it may need to be replaced before shingles can go on. A strong roof starts with solid decking. Alright, now let's talk about what your roofer might say during an inspection and what it means. These are some of the common roofing problems that homeowners can run into. When they say your shingles are blistering, that sounds bad, and it is. Blistering happens when the intake and exhaust ventilation for the roof is not balanced and causes the shingles to overheat from the roofing system, resulting in air pockets between the shingle mat and top granular finish. Over time, these blisters can pop, resulting in granular loss and leaving your shingles weak and exposed to possible leaks or premature failure. This usually happens due to poor ventilation or extremely hot weather. You have granule loss. Ever seen those sand-like particles in your gutters? Those are granules from your shingles. They protect your roof from the sun's UV rays, and once they start wearing off, your roof becomes vulnerable to leaks and heat damage. If you notice excessive granular loss, it may be time to consider a roof inspection to see if you need a replacement. You have ice dams forming. If you live in a cold climate, ice dams can be a huge issue. This happens when snow melts on your roof and then refreezes at the edges, forming a thick ridge of ice. This ice blocks water from draining properly, and that trapped water can seep into your shingles, causing leaks and interior damage. The best way to prevent ice dams? Proper attic installation and ventilation, so your roof stays evenly heated. Alright everyone, now you're armed with the knowledge to talk like a roofing pro. If you have any questions or want a free roofing inspection, give Moose Roofing a call if you're in the Omaha area. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Moose tips and tricks. We'll see you next time. Bye!